Now that we're talking about this topic of manifestation and causing our dream life for us, I also want to understand that what is a clear distinction between a real manifestation goal and wishful thinking. Because we have so many thoughts coming to our mind all the time, we have so many desires, endless. So, how do we discover for ourselves that this is just, wishful thinking, random, empty, meaningless desire versus a real meaningful manifestation?
First of all, passion. If you're really passionate about an idea that you get in your mind, if you continue to think about it, then from a fantasy, a mere fantasy, a crazy idea, it gets converted into a theory. That's how we had, for example, the airplane, we've had the computer, the internet. These were just fantasies. They got converted into theories because people said, hey, what if this can actually happen? So they started to work towards it. So the moment you start having an idea, and you start focusing on at that idea as if this can become a reality, what could I do to make this a reality? That moment itself, it comes out of visual thinking. Visual thinking will only be you just thinking, oh, it would be so wonderful to have this. But the moment you say, hey, I really want this in my life, imagine how my life is going to change with this. Can I do something for this? That very moment, your fantasy gets converted into a theory. Now that you actually start executing some things, taking action towards them, and every day, you tell yourself, not this way, maybe I'll try another way. When you start doing that, it gets converted from a theory into a reality. So that is when vibrations matter. So once you start taking action, what vibration are you putting out? That is very important, because you don't get what you want always, but you do get what you vibrate. So once you've identified what you want and you start keeping yourself in the right vibration while you're taking action for it, while you're on your way towards it, that is what helps you convert your fantasy into a reality. That's when you've come out of visual thinking and now actually on your way to manifesting that very thing in your life.
That gives a lot of clarity between our manifestation and the wishful thinking. The next question that I have for you is that what are the three clear cut ways that you can manifest your dream life?
Firstly, make sure that you're very clear about what you want. If you aren't clear, sit down with yourself every day for the next 30 days. What do I really, really, really want? What is it that really makes me happy? Initially, you may not get the right ideas, but whatever comes, write down. Maybe in a few days, you will get clarity. Something that you feel is in alignment with who you are, that is the goal you should go after. It really makes you happy. It brings a smile on your face. And you will feel that life will be much better if I have it. So that clarity is very important if you want to maybe not just speak of good things, but actually live it. So that is the difference. One, very simple, go after what you want, but first be clear about what you want. Second, spend at least a couple of minutes every day to be grateful for what you already have. Because if you don't have gratitude in the moment that you currently are in, chances are that you will come from a negative space.
Yeah, you'll
You
come
will
from a
come from
place of
complaint.
lack.
Yes, then you will attract more lack. Even though you want something, you will attract something else. So if you want to make sure that you are on the right track, practice gratitude for whatever it is that you have in your life. Every day, at least a couple of minutes, write down what you're grateful for. But always write down why you're grateful for it. Don't make it mechanical. I'm grateful for this because. Use the word because and see how it starts transforming your life, how it raises your vibration. Three, forgive. I would say spend few minutes every day thinking of people who bother you and send them love. Maybe yourself. If you're guilty about something, you need to forgive yourself. Every day think of yourself and say, I love myself. I bless myself. I send love to this person. See how the negative people get out of your life and see how you make space for better things in your life. I would also add one more because I feel that is something that is going to help people to make sure that their day not just goes well, but they're also in a state of ease. And that is seeking guidance. Be with yourself, spend some time in silence, ask the universe or the divine for guidance on how to achieve your goals. Because you may get very anxious when you're on your way to achieving your goals. You may be doubting yourself and your capabilities. But if you ask guidance, let me know what I can do. Let me know how I can get here faster. Answers will come. Ask the question, particularly at night and sleep, and you'll be surprised that answers can come in any form, but they will come. And they will really guide you towards your goal faster. You'll shorten your manifestation time and you'll also enjoy your journey. You won't be struggling, you will be a joyful manifestator. That's what we want.